Tripod.
Next game.
Tripod.
At pitch number 12, players 11, Group A. Abbas Orchard versus Pilot FC. Prepare next game. At pitch number 12, players 11, Group A. Abbas Orchard versus Pilot FC.
Boys 18, Group C at pitch number 15, Davao Occidental FC versus South Shield FC. Again, Boys 18, Group C at pitch number 15, Davao Occidental FC versus South Shield FC.
Sunod-sunod.
Please proceed to pitch number 15 now.
Prepare next game. At pitch number 6, Boys 15, Group D. Roseville School versus MIFC. Prepare next game at pitch number 6. Boys 15, Group D. Roseville School versus MIFC.
Sige, saan kang coach ha?
Prepare next game at pitch number 2. Boys 13, Group B. Rainbow FC versus Pama Kinapawan. Prepare next game at pitch number 2. Boys FC versus Pama Kinapawan. Beijing Rose Bay School. Nahulat ka mo dito sa pitch number 9.
Lain mo kayo sa college, ano, mangga. Lagi sa di ka ka-explain ba? Anakan nyo dito. Kita bring ko.
Requesting Women's Open teams na Green Sharks FC and New Era. Kung pwede, magpadool lang sa pitch dito na atong runners. Para lang, dool lang mo sa inyong pitch. If ever layo gid inyong tent, maminaw lang kita sa announcement. Kay ang inyong pitch ang pinakalayo, pitch number 16.
Prepare next game at pitch number 12. Players 11, Group A. Abbas Orchard versus Pilot FC. Prepare next game at pitch number 12. Players 11, Group A. Abbas Orchard versus Pilot FC.
Runners. Jimboy, balik mo niya. Ana, yung mga bago ang schedule. Okay. Please prepare for the next game. For players 11, Group B at pitch number 13. SBCFT Kids versus Ustagali. Again, please prepare for the next game. Players 11, Group B at pitch number 13. SBCFT Kids versus Ustagali. Please prepare.
Ah, wow, good. Wala ka.
Boys 13, Group A at pitch number 1. Please prepare.
Naman, kaigugula
DMS
sila, oy.
FC versus Usnagali FC.
Siya sa lunggol.
Again, please prepare for the next game. Boys 13, Group A at pitch number 1. DMS FC versus Usnagali FC.
Bro,
Thank
pasa
you.
yung taker ko.
Wake up guys, wake
I-shoot niya
up.
dito.
Beijing Roseville. Palilco proceed sa pitch number 6.
Nice girl.
Naging palihog po. Coaches, team managers, 15. Players 11, Group A.
Ay, kayo.
Palihog ko na slight changes ang schedules.
Oh, na, nag...
Kailangan mo clarify for
Ay, nako.
only players 11, Group A. Team manager and coach. Please check sa Tom's schedules na slight changes lang.
Beijing Roseville. Palilco proceed sa pitch number 6. Beijing Roseville. Palilco sa pitch number 6, boys 15. Beijing Roseville School. Palilco proceed sa pitch number 6, boys 15. Thank you.
Please prepare for the next game for Boys 15, Group A. Pitch number 5, Amigos United FC and Menminpa Club de Football. Again, please prepare for the next game. Boys 15, Group A at pitch number 5, Amigos United FC versus Menminpa Club de Football. Reminder sa atong runners, pwede ta magpa-announce in advance sa next game. Then pwede ta magpa-announce in advance sa next game sa inyong pitch para makaprepare ang mga teams. Again, announcement para sa tanan, for everybody. Because of the heavy rain yesterday, naay duha ka dagko na speakers na dili na available today. Duha ka speakers na dili available today. So as much as possible, kung dili madunggan sa layo, naay representative ninyo magpaduol maminaw sa announcement. Again, maminaw sa announcement. Salamat.
Handball. Salang. Paul na, Paul.
At this point in time, nakasugod na ang atoang tournament.
Dula nila, no?
Requesting everyone to please listen and be mindful sa inyong schedules because we have a lot of games and a lot of games today. As much as possible, we will be efficient in today's tournament. Kahapon, nagsugod ang ulan around 3 p.m. So atong panikamutan, that we will be able to finish by then. Salamat.
Prepare next game at pitch number 11, players 9, Group B. DMS FC versus PCFC. Prepare next game at pitch number 11, players 9, Group B. DMS FC versus PCFC.
Please prepare for the next game. Girls 16 Group A at pitch number 8, Davao Oxford Occidental FC versus IMCC. Again, please prepare for the next game at pitch number 8. Girls 16, Group A. Davao Occidental FC versus IMCC.
Prepare next game at pitch number 10. Players 9, Group A. Celestial FC versus Oles FC. Prepare next game at pitch number 10. Players 9, Group A. Celestial FC versus Oles FC.